Please be advised, there is a very important message at the end of this video. Please watch it all the way through in order to receive the message. P.S. This is not Batman. Batman out.
What's up, YouTube? It's JJ here back again with another video. And today we got something just a little bit different. And today I'll be taking delivery of my brand new car. Let's get
Bye, have a great time.
Alright. So in today's video, I don't know. It's a lot of cars that I wanted, but at the same time I don't know which one I want. And this is kind of like a shitty ass dealership, you know? So we're gonna check and see what we got, alright? So, ooh, I see the little Mercedes-Benz popping up. So we're gonna start off with the Honda, alright? So right now, what we looking at, you can record the car. So right now, what we looking at is, I got, I seriously don't know what this car is called. I don't know what this car is called, but I know it's a Honda. It don't show the tag or the name of it. Alright, here we go. Come here. So this is a Honda Sonata. Alright. This car. Look, cut the clip. Alright, so we about to head back in the dealership right here. This is the dealership. This is called the Auto Mall. I don't really understand the name of this because it don't say for real. Oh, there you go. It says Fitzgerald Auto Mall. Yeah. Good name. But yeah, right now we're about to go right back in. We about to see what's up. Right now we're about to go ask the guy, one of them, so we can see if we can get the keys to that Altima, so we can check the interior, under the hood, all of that. All right. Let's go.
I'm gonna keep it going.
Fuck yeah. Oh.
Wrong door.
Go ahead. All right. Keep the camera down low. Hey, sir. How you doing? So the Nissan Altima is new.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm wondering, can I just look inside because I'm doing a review on it, so I.
Sure. Let me see if I can get someone to help you. I'm selling a car right now.
All right, cool. Take your time. Take your time. All right. How you doing?
This young lady right here might be able to help you. She's one of our sales associates.
Okay, cool. Hey, excuse me. How you doing? You want your break? Yeah. Okay. If you want your break, you like it. He said you got right there on the thing, but he said if you can help me with this Nissan Altima, if I can decide. The Altima? It's a 2017 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. What color? It's white all the way to the back. Thank you. Let's go. Alright, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah. Alright. Ooh, this thing looks nice right here. Look at the inside. Look at this interior. Look at that. Woo. Shit. Leather seats. Leather white seats. But look. These seats hot as hell. Hell no, I don't like that. Leather is like super hot in the summer. You know? That shit kills me. Whew. I hope she don't just sit out here and talk to me because I don't want to talk to her. She kind of scared me with her deep ass voice. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Good. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, you trying to get this?
Yes.
Man, this thing look nice, man. Congratulations. Fuck you too. What the fuck you think he is? I'm saying congratulations, well, fuck you. I'm not gonna say that. He probably don't speak English. Nah, he speak English. He say, what's up, man? You know what the hell I'm talking about. But anyway, man, the Nissan Altima, this is the thing that I want. I want it so bad. So this is not like the best. That's what you guys see. Alright. Clicking on it. There you go. Go. Alright, thank you. Alright, so this is a 2.5 liter. 2.5 liter, I forgot what it is. Go ahead, keep going now. 2.5 liter SR. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. So this right here is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder Nissan Altima 2017. Oh, see, he was looking at it too. It look nice, don't it? It look nice? Yeah, man. He kind of scares me a little bit. I don't understand anything about what's inside this car right now, but yeah, it still looks nice though at the end of the day. And these gonna be one of the cars that I get. Let me take this off. You get a better look on the inside. Come on, the passenger side.
Hey.
Phew. Golly. Let's so you get my face too. Oh, golly, look at this. Hold on, let me take the camera real quick. Look at this. Whew. Look at the door. What is about? This the cameraman. Yeah. Look at the back seat. Okay, it's a little bit close, so I guess the guy that pulled this up to the dealership was a little too short, I guess. You know? But at the same time, it got 160 on the dash. Nice little V6. I don't like this at all. Hold on, let me see. I'm sorry, y'all. If you could focus a little bit. If you could focus. The D and the DS, I don't like that. I don't recommend it at all. I like the plus and the minus, so I can just switch it to manual or automatically. Yeah, and got the little nice radio features and all this other stuff. See, you got a little good space in here. All right, come on, let's get out. You know anything about this car that I probably don't know?
No, this one just came in, so I'm not really sure about it. Like, we literally just gotta wash it. Is there any other question that you want to know the answer to?
The guy said that there's not really a price on it right now, but do cars like this sell pretty fast in this dealership?
We don't really do a lot of Nissans.
For real?
Everybody wants to talk about Honda. The Nissan one's been sit for a while, Hyundai sit for a while. This one is pretty, so it might have a couple eyes on it when it's pricing up on the internet.
Yeah, especially with the rims and all this other stuff.
I think the Altima is one of our most popular ones to sell.
Yeah. See, I like the 3.3 4-cylinder V6. I don't know, I just love V6. You know, that's what I'm used to driving, so, you know.
I mean, yeah, it is quite a difference between the V6 and the 4-cylinder, so.
Yeah, it really is.
Well,
I guess that wraps it up for the video. Alright, YouTube. This is the end of the video. Yes, I know I didn't get a brand new car. That dealership kind of was like some shit. And I know I clickbaited just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I did. So what's to come for the channel? I will be buying a brand new vehicle. I will be buying a brand new vehicle for the channel. I will be using that video for different types of content. I will be it's gonna be all types of things, and I have a lot planned for this channel. My team, we got a lot planned. We got a lot that's going on. We finna start a podcast. You know, we finna start doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff. You know, and with that being said, like, y'all, please follow y'all dreams. If you feel as though that you really want to do something, do it. Do it, because I'm telling you, it's going to pay off, most definitely. I never imagined myself doing this YouTube stuff, and I never imagined myself actually, you know, putting my face in the camera and none of that, because I was never that type of dude. Like, I was always that type of guy. Like, you know, I don't give a fuck about nobody. I don't care for you, you know. I don't even want you to see me, you know. And it was just like, you know, sometimes you gotta put yourself out there to make shit happen, you know. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. You know, this world is filled with surprises. It comes with many different things, and it's only up to you for it's only up to you in order for things to happen the way you want it to happen. All right. That being said, that's the end of the video. One thing, if you guys want to see this little icon right here on the jacket, like on a jacket like this, you know, I will sell these jackets, like blue, gray, orange, the one that I had in the last video, this video right here. I'm telling you, I'm gonna start selling jackets. So if you know anyone that knows how to, you know, make shirts, make jackets, make masks, socks, or whatever, let me know. DM me at underscore my Instagram underscore kid dot underscore kid dot j underscore shit, my bad, KIDD dot JAYY, or contact me at practical.entertainers on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Alright, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys have a great day.